In this episode, I'm going to show you how can an incense make a huge difference in your mini booklets, mini journals, ephemeras, and more. So I hope you stay till the end of this episode because you're going to discover with me a lot of little details that you can apply to your little booklets and then use them in your journals. So welcome back and stay tuned because I have in every episode a lot of ideas, originals and beautiful. Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to this sacred space of creativity and self-discovery. You start going around step by step, little by little, going all over the margins of every one of the pages. I recommend you to go one by one so the burning process is going to be easier and it's going to be more fun and more into what you want to achieve. In other words, you can do tiny lines that are going to be looking brown, or if you want to keep doing more deep spaces and more burning, then you leave the incense on one place for a while and then you will have the effect that you want to see in every one of the pages. I also use it in the cover because it gives it a nice touch of a vintage and old paper, and because if you have any imperfections in the cutting process of the pages and the covers, then you're going to be getting rid of all the imperfections because that part is going to get burned by the incense. So try it because you're going to love it. This is usually an idea I used to do when I was a kid. Actually, I was always involved with paper, scrapbooking, craft in general. And then I was thinking about like giving this idea to you guys because I haven't seen this on the internet. So you're going to love it and I hope you try it. Pick the incense you like, the scents you like, and I hope you're not allergic to it. Otherwise, you can wear a mask. You can do whatever you want. You can do it outside of the house. So you're going to get rid of the smog if you don't like it. So try it and then let me know in the description box down below this video. You fold your pages and you can use any pages you have around and you cover them with a cardstock. The only advice that I can give you in this case is use your stapler from out to inside, as you can see here. So you don't want this part to be out in here and you can barely see that from the outside. So that will be the first step. Another thing that you need to consider is that the length of the pages, like from here to here, it can be super long because if you're using a stapler like this one, that length is gonna be the same length where you can insert your little notebook into the stapler. So this is something you need to take into consideration. And I have a third one and you staple it 2 times. What are you going to place inside? You can place messages, you can place notes, you can go and do some stamping, anything you like, put some stickers on, messages. I mean, This booklet is made out of a piece of package from a chocolate. As you can see here, I'm using the cord. It's a super nice material to work. The colors are bright and nice, very modern. So I'm using them like just a little piece on the middle of the booklet and then tighten up and cutting. That is gonna be what we have. If you have like a shiny little picture from a magazine or from a book, what you can do is add a little bit of gesso on the surface, or probably mate or white acrylic paint, so you get rid of the shine. But anyways, with shine or without shine, it's gonna be looking very, very good. So for this one, I'm just gonna use Distress vintage ink photo, and that's gonna be the end for this one, my second booklet. For the third one, I have mushrooms. So I was like not sure about what to do with this one. So I was looking in my tiny box from Singapore that I love, and as you can see, I collect a little too much of little things, and I have been like collecting them for a long time, and I actually have 2 or 3 more boxes with a lot of tiny things that I love, also stickers and washi tapes. But then I was trying like with different things, but I wasn't convinced too much about what to do. So looking at the color of the stem that I also took from a chocolate packaging, now you can see the product is really nice. I cut the edges, like the corners, I rounded the corners. I like it more this way. And this is the third mini booklet for today's video. I'm really in love with this channel. I have my main channel that is called La Doctora de las Plantas. Whenever you can go look to my videos, I teach you about how to take care of your plants, and you're very welcome to also visit my main channel. But before you go away, give me a thumbs up, and if you like this content, let me know in the comments down below so I can keep doing my art and sharing with you all my original ideas. My beautiful souls, this is all for this video. We have an incense, a chocolate vintage photo distress little booklet, and it was really, really cool to be here again sharing my ideas and my projects. So don't go away without subscribe to my channel. Hit the button that says subscribe and then hit the bell, and also leave me a thumbs up, and of course leave me a comment. I would love to read it, and also check other episodes here in my channel. Up if you love this video, and if you want more videos like this one. I see you soon, my friends. Bye bye. See you in my next video, and thanks for watching.